Hey everyone! So let me tell you a story about my crazy journey to making real money online. Believe me, I tried pretty much everything. From filling out endless surveys, hoping for pennies, to selling quirky art on various platforms. Nothing seemed to stick. I was almost ready to throw in the towel. But then, something changed. One late night, while scrolling through yet another How to Make Money Online article, I stumbled upon the Legacy Builder program. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just another scheme, right? But hold on, because this one's different. Legacy Builder isn't just a program. It's a blueprint. It promised 100% commissions and up to 4 streams of income. Yeah, you heard that right. 100% commissions. I was skeptical but desperate, so I took the plunge. The first step was surprisingly simple. Legacy Builder walked me through setting up my own digital platform. No tech skills required, which was perfect for a tech newbie like me. They provided all the tools and training I needed to launch. I was building something that was actually mine. Then came the learning curve. The program covered marketing strategies, SEO, and even social media management. Each module was like a piece of a puzzle, and I could see my online business taking shape. The best part? I started earning while I was still learning. Each sale gave me not just profit, but a surge of confidence. Now let's talk numbers, because I know that's what you're here for. Within the first few months, I made my first $1,000. Then it snowballed. I reached a point where I was making more online in a month than I did in my old 9-to-5 job in half a year. But it wasn't just about the money. Legacy Builder helped me build something lasting, hence the name. It's about creating a legacy, a business that could potentially support me and my family for years to come. And the community? Incredible. I connected with people just like me, eager and motivated to change their lives. We supported each other, celebrated every sale, every little victory. To wrap this up, if you're out there tired of jumping from one online gig to another without seeing real results, take a look at Legacy Builder. It might just be the program that transforms your efforts into actual, tangible success. Thanks for listening, guys. If you've got questions or want to share your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next video.